Okay.
Phoebe, ano nangyari? Good morning and Happy New Year! Happy New Year, ma! Good morning!
Good morning!
Ano pong nililikit nyo, ma?
Naggagawa ako ng lumpia Shanghai.
Naglumpia. Para sa New Year.
Para mamaya.
So, naghahanda kami ngayon para mamaya dinner namin New Year. Ano tawag yun, ma? Chubena o Buenas Noches? Dinner lang. So, there you go, guys. Naglulumpia yung mama ko.
At saka, waiting for the owner of this Biko.
Oh, yung mga delivery, yung mga gustong mag-order. Yung mga taga-Toronto, well, kung gusto nyo mag-order, yan, Biko ng mama ko. At meron ding iba, yung chocolate cake, yung makapuno cake. Here. Yan. May cheesecake din. Hi guys! Quick change outfit. This is my OOTD for today. Everyone's wearing this jacket but I don't care. It's the in jacket right now. So mama, nagusa ka diya mama. Tuwad mo ka diya mama. Ay, magtatagalog pala tayo ngayon kasi maraming Tagalog na hindi nakakaintindi ng Bisaya. So mama, Tagalog kayo mama.
Gumawa na ako ng lumpia Shanghai.
Oh, may lumpia Shanghai na. So today guys, pupunta ako ng Toronto kasi ipipick up ko yung classmate ko, high school classmate ko. Naglanding siya. Naglanding? Flight Emirates attendant po siya. Tapos, layover niya sa Toronto. So, she wants to spend Christmas with us. Oh no, she wants to spend New Year's with us instead of her family because she loves us. She loves me. Wow! Ano po yan, mama?
Leche flan.
Ay, leche.
Oh my God, ang kainit.
Oh,
Teka.
Ayun. Wow, mama. Show, ma. Show.
Tingnan natin kung luto na ba talaga.
Oh, magkano po yan, Mike? Magkano isa? Wow!
At saka mamaya, babalik rin na natin yan pag...
Ay, tusok-tusok technique. Yung tusok-tusok technique, yung mama ko lang ang alam nun. Walang ibang mamang alam nun. Yung mama ko nag-invento nun.
Oh, yan.
Wow!
4 yan, ha?
Oh, 4 na leche plan for New Year. 4 for good vibes.
Yeah.
Ilan tayo? Di ba 5 lang?
No, 1 each and half.
Sige na. Tala na, kukunin ko na. Kukunin ko yung friend ko.
Hindi ka marunong mag-Tagalog.
Bye, ma.
Hindi ka marunong mag-Tagalog?
Ano sunod na lulutuin po niyo, ma?
Ham.
Ay, wow! Si Inday Kabkab na nagwawalis pa. Oy, shout out to Inday Kabkab. Fan na fan ako ni Inday Kabkab. YouTube nyo lang yung pangalan na Inday Kabkab. Ang, ano siya, OFW siya, taga Kuwait. Nagtrabaho siya sa Kuwait. I swear, nagre-record lang siya ng video niya sa YouTube using her iPhone. Or no, Samsung. Entertain talaga ako. All night, nagwa-watch ako sa kanya. Inday Kabkab.
What's up, you guys? It's your boy Josh, back at it again with another vlog. You know what I'm saying? What's up, you guys? Merry Christmas!
Umana, day.
What?
Umanang Pasko dyan.
Oh yeah, what's up, you guys? Back at it again with another vlog. You know, you gotta keep up the energy, alright? So right now, we're gonna go pick up Yani's friend, Phoebe, right?
We're almost here. I'm gonna pick up my high school friend Phoebe. Magbisaya na pod me. We're trying to speak Tagalog. We're almost here. We're going to her hotel. She's a flight attendant, and her hotel dropped her off. Her flight dropped her off at her hotel, and now we're picking her up at her hotel. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas! Hi, vlog! Ganda po si Phoebe! Gapa kayo, no? Tulsi kaya ang kilay.
May ganahan ko. Ano nga naman ako gitugnaw, sis. Ako kay gitugnaw lagi kay ko.
Fashion is life man, sis.
Like, ako dahil.
Gapa man.
Yawa kay kataran na. Day, anong masasabi mo sa weather? Day, anong masasabi mo, Day?
I-vlog Joe.
Day!
Nag-video na.
Day, natalbugan imong mic, Day.
Magkita daw.
Day, anong
Anong masasabi mo sa weather?
Anong masasabi mo sa weather?
Okay.
Di touchable mo siya. Day, nabalik ka.
Langkata daw yun.
Day, nabalik ka.
Ipakita sa vlog, Day.
Day, makauwaw. Day, nauwaw ko ni.
Nalangkat iya ang earmuffs.
Di man good.
Nga naman na, Day.
Di man good siya butones. Oh, maibot. So, pwede kanira. Kanira, Day.
Touchable yan.
Ano siya?
Pwede kanira po, sis. Asa
Ano
ni
siya?
mo ibutaw?
Hala, Day.
Paglabay ko. Asa na dudoy? Okay. So, Day, anong masasabi mo, Day?
Tapos siya karoon kauli niya vlogging camera.
Sa maibot na ako.
Ipakita sa yung microphone yun.
This is it.
Uy, mag-Jollibee. Dapat na mo dyan Jollibee,
You know what? We should speak in English.
Okay, English na lang.
Because
Sige, go.
we have viewers who cannot
Right.
speak English.
Ha? Ikaw to day, no?
Alam ko ba? Sas kurog kay ni Sas, magmahay jug ka Sas. Kabalo biya ka mo,
Alam
niya
yun
akong
yung
gamit ka kamot. Hala, Day. I don't need another one, Day. Humana ko.
Nanang Jollibee, oh.
Hala, asa?
So guys, the plan is mag-Jollibee sa me quickly, then mag-mall dayon me.
So guys, nadayon na dyan among Jollibee. Kinsa
Ay,
ganito?
English major man day ka, no?
Kinsa ganito? Dili, oy. Mass cam.
Pariyaran na.
Kinsa ganito atong English teacher?
Guys, comment below kung daghan if you want to achieve this makeup look.
So, gosh, guys, kung makakita mo sa akong pores, like kung sa kadako akong pores karon.
Spell pores yun.
Kaya wala
Pores.
pa ko'y god.
Usa Jollibee, oh!
Nag-high na siya.
Gwapa siya ka color.
Ay,
Akong gwapa nga Jumega. Oh, alik.
clear na ko. Hindi lagi dito.
Dato kay Kaday. Dato kay Yots.
Mango pie. 2 years yung
Isa pinang ko. Ilong yok. Siya lang kaayon na.
Ang lalaki na nag-touch sa taas. Teka, bayani. Knife ka nang makahupo.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Welcome, welcome. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Uy, kare-kare.
Paano?
Oh my God, kare-kare, fish. Gabby's tasting all the Filipino food tonight. Oh, guys, we're having pajama party for New Year's Eve.
I'm gonna change.
Happy New Year! Happy New
I thank God for another year, for
selfie na lang na.
Video di ay.
birthday 2019.
Go.
Yeah, thank the Lord for another year, for blessing, good health, and protection.
Yay!
Hey! Happy birthday! Yay! To you.
Sing for me!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Guys, this is so funny. We changed our mind. So we were getting ready to go to sleep already, and then we changed our mind. Suddenly, we want to welcome the new year. We were gonna go to sleep at 10 or 11 p.m. like right now already. But we changed our mind and we want to welcome the new year. 1 more hour to go. Right, Gams?
12 seconds later.
Okay.
Phoebe, ano nangyari?
So, nakatulog tayo.
So nakatulog kami. Walang countdown.
Walang countdown nangyari at kakagising lang namin, guys.
Ginising pa
Ginising ko pa siya.
Oh, that.
Da. Tagalog.
Squatting.
Good morning na lang. Happy New Year to everyone. Kagabi, ano pa ako? Kagabi, excited pa. Excited kagabi.
Nauna ka pa natulog sa akin.
Oh. Alin na, Phoebe? Breakfast na tayo. So, we're still here at our house. My mom cooked Filipino breakfast. We have fried rice, egg, and this is eggplant, fried eggplant. And oh, look, my mom made
Sikwati!
tablia.
The real tablia.
Asa na napalit?
Kuan, kanang sa Pilipinas.
This is chocolate drink, chocolate made from cocoa, right?
Yeah, the real.
The real cocoa, like the cocoa fruit, the cocoa
The
fruit.
cocoa.
Cocoa, not cocoa, cocoa. It's very, oh my god. Happy New Year!
Breakfast, fried rice. Yeah.
Everyone has no energy yet. I just woke up. I don't have a New Year's resolution a lot, but it's nice to set a goal. So I always set a goal in the beginning of the year, and I achieve it.
Go, Tito.
Okay, let's eat. Let's eat.